Hello, my name is Trina Ganguly, and today I'll be discussing I'll be discussing about the nervous system, which is actually my most favorite system of the body. um, the nervous system has two main parts, which are the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is made up of the brain and the spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system is made up of the nerves that branch off from the spinal cord and extend to all of the parts of the body. And the two medical specialties that study the nervous system are mostly neurologists and also somewhat of psychiatrists, which are unsurprisingly the two specialties I would really love to practice in when I hopefully become a doctor. Specifically, neurology is the branch of medicine that specializes in the treatment of disorders of the nervous system, including the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves. Neurologists are focused on discovering diagnosis-specific neurological conditions that can be corrected through the use of medications or other therapies, or require close management. And neurosurgeons perform surgery on the nervous system. However, they can also provide non-surgical treatments. And psychiatrists kind of study the nervous system too, in specific the central nervous system. They deal with emotional and behavioral symptoms that are caused by the nervous system disorders, such as anxiety, depression, mood swings, and irritability. The most well-known organ of the nervous system is the brain, which is also my favorite organ of the entire body. The brain is housed in the dorsal cavity of the body and is superior to the spinal cord in humans and is posterior to the nose and eyes. The five main landmarks of the brain are 1. The cerebrum, which houses the frontal lobe, the temporal lobe, the parietal lobe, and the occipital lobe. 2. The cerebellum, which is located in the back of the brain on just below the occipital lobes and is involved with fine motor skills. 3. The diencephalon, which is located at the base of the brain and contains the thalamus, the subthalamus, the epithalamus, and the hypothalamus. 4. The brainstem, which houses the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla oblongata. And 5, there are also the cranial nerves, which are responsible for very specific activities. However, those activities depend on which region of the brain those cranial nerves are in or are part of. And so the brain has a variety of functions. For instance, it controls thought, memory, emotion, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, hunger, and every process that regulates our body. In specific, the cerebrum, which is the largest part of the brain and is composed of the right and left hemispheres, performs higher order functions like interpreting touch, vision, hearing, as well as speech, reasoning, emotions, learning, and fine control of movement. Furthermore, the cerebellum, which is located under the cerebrum, functions to coordinate muscle movements, maintain posture, and balance. And the brainstem acts as a relay center connecting the cerebrum and the cerebellum to the spinal cord. It performs many automatic functions such as breathing, heart rate, body temperature, wake and sleep cycles, digestion, sneezing, coughing, vomiting, and swallowing. And so overall, the brain kind of acts like the control system of the entire body as it receives information through our 5 senses, which are sight, smell, touch, taste, and hearing, and often many at one time, and translates those messages in a way that has meaning for us, and then transmits those messages to different parts of the body. Thank you.